Hey everyone, Paulo here. So welcome back to just another dang how-to channel. So on this video, we're going to learn how to fix errors for the ShaderCompileWorker when you're launching Unreal Engine. So I seem to have a knack on finding these errors on Unreal Engine and finding a fix for them. So if you build Unreal Engine from the source and you try to launch Unreal Engine, you might get this error once the Unreal editor is launched. It would say unable to launch ShaderCompileWorker. So there's two ways that you could fix this. You could either open up XCode and then run the ShaderCompileWorker build again, or you could run it from the terminal, which I'm gonna show you. So open up the Finder and go to the directory where you have the repository or the build clone. So I have it on an external drive. Go under Engine, go under Build, BatchFiles, and then Mac folder, and you would see all the script files. What we're interested in is the build script. So open up a terminal on that directory and type the following. So target the build script and then say ShaderCompileWorker and type in Mac development. So if you run this command, this is what you'll get. You could try launching Unreal Engine, see if this fixes the problem. As you can see, this didn't fix that initial problem. So to fix this, so check for errors on the command that you run. As you can see here, I had like one error generated. It couldn't locate that slow task sh. So I'm just gonna quickly check that directory if that file actually exists. So under runtime, go under core, public, miscellaneous, and slow task stack. So I could definitely see the file slow task stack. So what we could do next is try to do a clean first and then run the build again. So to do a clean, run the following command. So type in the same command, but this time put a -clean, and after that you would see it says cleaning shader compiler and the Unreal header tool binaries, and after that go ahead and run the command again, removing the clean parameter. And that should start building again. So once the build is complete for the ShaderCompileWorker, go ahead and launch Unreal Engine editor again, and hopefully this time you won't get that error. So I'm gonna open up the existing project. As you can see, this opened up the project fine. So the shaders are still loading, but we could go ahead and try to preview the project. Cool, there you go. So that is how to fix the ShaderCompileWorker error. Cool, so hope you like this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down. If you have some questions, hit the comments below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers, bye for now.